It's your boy, the C to the Y, the G to the Y, Cherry Jerry Bay Bay, right here for the block screening of Under Parallel Skies. All thanks to Potato Giant. Thank you very much, Potato Giant. This is awesome.
Okay. Siyempre, ang movie natin ngayon ay Under Parallel Sky na pinamumunahan ng isa sa mga sikat sa kanyang relasyon at nandito pa yung kanyang mga nakilala mo kanina yung mga kanyang isa sa mga fans club niya. Okay? So, Miss Chanela Salvador, of course, with a win. Ano naman dyan? Okay, but before that, gusto namin magpasalamat kaya po Potato Giant. Maraming salamat po sa pag-attend at pagbibigay panahon dito sa vlog screening na to. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo, marami pa yung narating, marami pa yung naggalingan, but talagang pinuntahan para sa event na to. And of course, mamaya, parating pa yung ating mga guests, kasi isa sa mga guests natin dito ay ang panguluan ng SM Sukat with their tenants, okay, and yung Dolly. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga kapamilya natin sa Potato Giant! Gusto ko kayo magpapalakpakan mga Giant! Congratulations sa inyo lahat! And of course, sa ating mga ginamahal ng customer! Okay, lahat po ba kayo nakikita ng Potato Giant? Sa lahat po nakakita yes! Sa lahat po nakakita dito malapit sa SM Sukat, our Potato Giant is located second floor ng ating food court, bandang glass panel, bandang tulo. Pero once na natikman mo, hindi nyo lang po siya titigilan. Okay. Are you ready for that? Actually, talaga, ito yung first sponsor namin kasi talaga, sinuportahan namin ito, pelikula na ito, kasi what the producer of this movie is Filipino din. And alam naman natin, si Potato Giant, we support local. All of our products are made from fresh potatoes.
Okay, so I'm right now here at the cinema. I got my popcorn. I'm all set and ready to go. Here's my movie review about Under Parallel Skies. My honest opinion about Keith Burit Parin is that he is a rich, cocky, entitled schmuck who seriously needs to put the bottle down and learn a little thing called kindness. As for Iris, I honestly like her. She's a humble, hardworking, friendly, and caring woman. She's gone over and beyond for Keith Burit Parin. I'm shocked she's even eating with Keith Burit Parin, given that Keith Burit Parin is her guest and Iris is just a receptionist. And mostly because Keith Burit Parin has been a jerk throughout the first half of the movie. The first half of the story is very cliche, while the second half got very, very sad. This is the kind of movie where you can just turn your brain off and just enjoy the story for what it is. I like the chemistry that Iris and Keith has in this movie. Watching Iris save Keith's drunken butt from flying off the building like a bird, and Keith making the effort to take care of Iris when she was sick is nakakakilig. Under Parallel Skies is loaded with life lessons and so many kilig moments. After watching Under Parallel Skies, there's some food I genuinely want to try eating. Among them is definitely a crispy silkworm and some Potato Giant. Thank you very much, Potato Giant, for supporting local and giving me a reason to live. I don't usually travel this far from my home and go to places I'm not familiar with, but given the opportunity that Potato Giant gave me, I couldn't just say no. I honestly thought that I wasn't going to make it on time for the movie, but Potato Giant showed me kindness and patience and understanding. I'm forever grateful for Potato Giant's hospitality. It is an honor to be among the handful of people who got to be in the very first block screening held by Potato Giant at SM Sukat. Thank you very much, Potato Giant, for the invitation. This is legendary. Kuya, para hindi na kayo magutom. Kuya, para hindi na kayo magutom. Yan, Kuya, Ma'am? Ma'am? Gusto niyo po? Hash browns. Para hindi naman kayo magutom. Sure, sure. Oh, para sa'yo. Hi, gusto niyo? Here you go. Okay. Gusto niyo? Sige, go lang, go lang. Ikaw, okay. Here you go. Sige, sige. Oh, sige, sige. Oh, sige, sige, ikaw na rin. Wala nga naman. Oh, sige, sige, ikaw rin. Oh, there you go. Para sa mga nangangailangan na to, ha? Para sa mga homeless lang to.
Salamat po.
Oh, yan, para sa'yo. Isa pa. Sige na nga. Oh, yan. Okay, okay, okay. Last na to. No more na, ha? No more na. God bless. Kuya, gusto nyo po? Para sa inyo. Merry Christmas. Para sa inyo. Merry Christmas.
Salamat po!